Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a grocery haul from Walmart. I think we spent $142 and I'm gonna show you everything that I got and the meals that I have planned out for this week. Okay, so this is everything that we got minus the bag of charcoal. I don't think I need to show you that. But so this is, we got some pork chops for a meal. Pork fried rice, I believe. We're doing barbecued chicken tonight. We decided just to do like a whole chicken. My husband's going to smoke this. We have pizza blend cheese because we are making our own calzones on Friday. We try to do like homemade pizzas and stuff like that on Friday sometimes. Chloe's loving these as a snack now that we are done with formula and we're just doing more snacks lately. That's really easy for her. We actually got 2 of these because I love these as like a backup lunch for Emma when things have just kind of gone crazy. This is also a good lunch for me and both kids. We really like that. We have, this water is the type of water that we have to buy for my husband's latte machine. We have Uncrustables, that's another like go-to quick lunch or snack for Emma. I started getting pouches again, just I usually get 4 or 5 a week, and I just kind of use them as like a last second, not like as a meal for Chloe, but more as a quick snack or on the go snack. We have some mozzarella cheese because I believe I'm going to be doing chicken hoagies, I think it was. I'll have to look, but this called for mozzarella cheese. We have sliced Swiss cheese because I do like a chicken bake where it has like this melted on top. We have Pam avocado spray. I had no clue that they actually had avocado spray in the Pam kind. My husband actually went grocery shopping for me, but that's kind of cool because we had another brand that was like this. This is for my husband. He uses this when he works out if they need like a boost. This is Italian sausage, which will go on our pizzas. We ran out of barbecue sauce. This is Emma's like all-time favorite must-have breakfast. And then our milk that pretty much we've switched to, everybody drinks this now because I just think it tastes so much better. It has like less sugar in it. We have some corn on the cob, which I'm guessing my husband wanted for dinner tonight. We have bananas. My husband needed some toothpaste, bread, hoagie buns, which he said was almost impossible to find, 2 peppers for the hoagies, onions for the hoagies, and we finally ran out of strawberry jam, which I swear lasts us like a year, but we finally ran out, so we bought that. And then I guess we needed a filter, and we got more diapers for Chloe, and I went ahead and got these little movers. We just switched to, I know this is upside down, but we switched to the little movers instead of the little Snuggies because on Ibotta I actually get $4 off of these right now. So I hope you guys liked this grocery haul. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the meals that I have prepped for the week, or not prepped, but planned for the week. Okay, so this is my weekly meal plan. It's actually from the Hearth and Hand brand. Promise, yeah, there it is. I got it at Target. And I know that I have talked about this before in another video, but what I found out last week, which makes me feel kind of like silly about myself, I had no clue that these like ripped off. This is like the shopping list portion of it. So you write your meals here and then you have your shopping list off to the side and then you can just rip them off, which is like awesome. So I'm doing that now. But for Monday, we have that creamy Swiss bake that I talked about. It's just chicken with like a mayonnaise and sour cream sauce on top, and then it's layered with Swiss cheese, and we usually put it over rice. It's like definitely one of our go-tos. Pork fried rice is one of our go-tos, and tortellini is 2. We usually go to Sam's Club. We buy the 2-pack, and you can freeze them. So I put them in the freezer. I pull them out whenever I need. It literally takes 4 minutes for them to cook, and then we throw some sauce on it. So that's an easy meal. This, I don't know if I've ever made this. I actually found it on my Pinterest board for like my meals, and I really thought it looked good. So I'm gonna try this, the slow cooker chicken Philly sandwich. we have homemade cheesy pizza pockets, which is like a calzone pretty much, and then tonight we're just doing barbecue grilled chicken. So if there is something that I found on Pinterest on this list, I will actually put the pictures up on the screen right now just to kind of show you what they are. And if you guys are interested and want the recipe, just message me and I will actually send it to you via my Pinterest account. So I hope you guys like this type of video. If you want to see more grocery hauls and my meal planning, I know that I need to plan out a video on like how I meal plan. I've kind of like touched base with it a little bit. So if you guys want to see that, just give me a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.